Alright, so this is going to be the daily recap. I did not have a very good day today at all. So the first thing I started off in pre-market, we'll change this to a 5-minute, we'll change this to an hourly, and I am going to add my indicators 1, 2, 3, because I'm changing things up a little bit. Like I said, if anybody actually watches this, I know somebody tried to watch it yesterday, but I did not have any fucking sound, so it did not work out very well. This time, I will have some sound. Hopefully it works out. Volume. Alright, so let's give this a go, and we'll put this on 30 minutes. So, as you can see, this thing already popped up from $1.68. The other thing I want to do is this. So every time I'm going to go back, soar. Alright, so this thing had 1 million float. It didn't have any institutional ownership. It had some short float. It had 10 gaps. 10 of them closed below the open. But like I said, I was really hoping that it'd have. That's the problem. Like I was hoping, right? So it already had this huge volume over here. Pre-market. I longed. Oops. I was kind of looking at the bottom of the floor. I was like, alright, like, I'm like, what's it gonna do? Is it gonna go down to the fucking floor? I was like, come on now. It's got a million shares, a million float. Of course, this is not gonna just fucking roll over and just die. It's it's gonna curl back up and go to all-time highs. But at the same time, I was busy as fuck today. I was truly freaking busy. And I just didn't have the time. And that's one thing. Like, it's completely different when I am able to actually pay attention to this kind of shit. But I should have also had this. I don't even think it gets up to the 6.5, but we'll see. I did not have a lot of time. That's another thing. I didn't notice the volume. Crazy ass volume. On the hourly, okay, how's it reacting? It's got a giant fucking wick. Really, just no demand at all. Like, it's just there's nobody stepping in, and so it's like, all right. I still have it in my head. I'm like, all right, it's got a low, a higher low. Okay, like maybe this is collecting shorts and it's gonna squeeze, and once again, it's got one stuff, two stuffs, three stuffs under the 14. The other thing is, like, I don't remember, because like I said, I am just fucking exhausted. I don't know. Yeah. I definitely should not have longed again with this next over here. So I can understand this long. I'm looking for it to hold. Okay, it dips. This I don't. I think this is just. I should have been adding. Maybe like add back over here. Maybe. And look for a push up possibly. But I definitely should not have been doing this over here. There's literally no reason. I think my thought process was okay. Like I think I had like a doji down over here somewhere. I was like, okay, like if it is gonna fail, it's gonna that's gonna be the line in the sand. Still got quite a ways. So along right here, but there's still no volume at all. I apparently risking off of low of day. Let's just fast forward this shit. Just nothing. Yeah, okay, I only had a million float, but I mean, it just nothing. So I took a decent loss on this. That's $127. Then I took this. So I am long the pre-market. I'm looking at this possible cup is what I was looking at. I had a floor down here, obviously. SDG. Once again, it's one under 2 million float. It had low short float, low institutional ownership. It was also 11 gaps with seven closed red. But like I said, another really low float. And I was like, okay, I'll give it a go. So let's play this shit. 1 hour. Give it a 5. Like this is gonna be the only stuff that kind of pisses me off. Is doing this. 14. Really, like the only things I really need to do are these. 80. We'll just leave the 9 as is. This is on the hourly. Okie dokie. Alright, go. So I'm longing right before open. Get stopped out. I'm long on the break. Obviously, I'm really wanting pop and fill pre-market high. I mean, it's acting sporadic. Get out. Still looking like a cup. I longed again. Sold half. I'm looking for this to rip up over. Starts dropping. About to get out the other half. Got out the other half. Huge volume right here, then it just kind of dies off. Starts popping up, got me a chase. Well, here in a second it gets me a chase. So I'm obviously looking for a pop over high of day. I don't know. I didn't get it until way over here. Alright, so for me, I see like a floor. Still uptrending. The only problem is it's got no fucking volume, dude. Like, that's the thing. Like, you can't long if there's no fucking demand. And like, now that I'm like, I got more time to like look at it, it looks to me like it's forming a fucking distribution pattern. And if I'm correct, which is about the right time, I'm pretty sure I'm about to long a fucking distribution fake breakout and get just fucking wrecked. Not wrecked, I guess, but yeah, long. There, like I said, there's no fucking volume, dude. We're gonna fast forward this. Even give anything? No. And like, this is kind of crazy to me. This looks like a big distribution pattern now. For me, at least. No volume. I'm not being present. And that's the thing though. Like today, like I should have known because I was super fucking busy again. Yeah, I kept trying to force it. I kept just, I want to make money, and like, I get back all my loss from yesterday, and this is the one that really fucked me up. So this is the one that I definitely want to watch. volume. Volume 1, 2, 3, 14. And the beautiful 200. Alright, so, and this one also, SC, what was it? SCNI, I believe it was. Yeah, so less than a million float. Israel, it's got 10 gaps, but like that's the thing, dude. They all have more than 10 gaps and they all fucking close red, dude. Like, they all fucking close red. Alright, so, anyways. And this one had a big fucking stuff up here. Like, obviously, I'm doing the same thing I do, but in the reverse, because I'm like, oh, dude, this is gonna go to the fucking moon. It's gonna go to the moon. It's gonna go to the moon, and then start trading. So obviously on this one, even a fucking moron could see that this thing's got, like, it's literally at the fucking floor, right? It already gave back all of its move. Popping up, it's got a good volume. Took my first stop. And along again. Big volume on that stuff. So what I'm confused about is why I have not covered anything yet, because I'm up almost 60 cents on 300 shares. I didn't cover shit. Greedy. I should have absolutely covered on this, especially because, like, so I got, but that's 40, it's fucking 40 cents over where my entry was. 40 cents, 150 shares, you know, that's $50. Okay, dude, like, finally got out over here. Got longed again. So my god, there's no way it's gonna just keep going down. Got taken out. Fast forward. Yeah, dude, like, this didn't do shit. The other thing is, I didn't realize that the 80 was actually above. Like, this is completely downtrended. SCNI daily. Fuck, it's probably because of this day over here. See, like, that's the problem. Like, just fucking trading just to fucking trade. I mean, it had a high volume day over here. It just fucking tanked open and just died. Just went tits up. I mean, like, that's basically the Well, I mean, not really. I mean, this extended and then came all the way down. This extended, came all the way down. This one did not extend. This one extended a little bit and then went all the way down. But I mean, that's pretty much the fucking story of the stock, man. It just, yeah, this day extended and then just died. But I should have. Well, I'm not gonna short a under 1 million float stock. So, like, honestly, like, I guess the moral of the story is just stay the fuck away. And then the funniest thing is the one trade that I actually do what I normally fucking do and short, I actually did good. Alright, so 14, 80. Alright, so go. Alright, so I mean, this thing is got the ceiling. Got the floor. What the fuck is this gonna go? Or oh. Alright. It's just being crazy. Volume finally starts coming in right there. But it's, I mean, it's damn near at the fucking floor though. That's what I mean. It's like, fuck, this probably would have been the best long out of all of them, honestly. I mean, shit, this would have absolutely been the best long out of all of them. Actually, I forgot. STAI. 40 million float. It's got high institutional ownership though, and most of these are gap and crap. Actually, every single one of them is a gap and crap. High pre-market, lower intraday, except for this one. This one is the first gap and extension. Good size volume. I do remember I actually was looking to short this here, and I was just like, what am I gonna what am I gonna trade back down to? This is 10 cents. That's my first target. So I was like, nah, dude. Like, if this doesn't hit 150, I'm not fucking touching this thing. It went into a halt. Shorted out of the halt. I put my stop at 160. I think this thing popped back up again, and it started making me nervous. I thought I was going to get shaken out of this trade. And I honestly have no idea what happened because I wasn't really watching. Starts to tank. I was not supposed to cover everything here. I was supposed to cover like some down here. Supposed to cover half. look for another pop to recycle, and look for a cover at all of them at a dollar. So I didn't cover anything here. That's probably why I cover everything down here. It's like in between. This is also almost at a dollar, so that's probably why I didn't hold all the way. So let's just fast forward. What ended up happening? So did this go under a dollar? It did not go under a dollar. So that, I mean, that's basically the end of the day. You know, one of these days I need to start figuring out, like, all right, dude, like, you're busy. Just don't fucking trade because it's not even worth it. I gave back, you know, all of my yesterday. I literally gave it all back. I am down more than $90. I'm pretty sure. Am I down $90? I don't know if that's fucking accurate. That actually might be accurate. It's actually not accurate. I'm negative like $37. Oh wait, no, what the fuck? That's the wrong. Never mind. I lied. 1 second. I am down. Actually, that's not accurate. I'm down $106. So, but anyways, win rate 37%. That is not fucking good at all. Need to raise that up a lot more. I mean, obviously, just 2 days. Minus 353, minus or plus 2. So I don't know. We'll have to. This is the daily recap. Nice, quick, sweet, and I'll be back tomorrow.